We are learning to recognize syllable types by flipping the sound. Our vowels, A, E, I, O, U, have a short sound and a long sound. For example, A has a long sound and it sounds like this. Acorn. It's saying its name, and that's the long sound. But the short sound is the eh in apple. When you're trying to work out a new word, you can flip the sound. You can try both the long sound and the short sound. And it's you can think about it like flipping over a coin or flipping over a pancake. You're trying the short sound and the long sound of that letter to see if it makes sense or if it sounds right. So let's have a look at a couple of words. Let's read this sentence. Sam likes going on the swing at the park. Swing doesn't quite sound right, does it? So I've said the long I, swine, in this word. Let's flip the sound. Let's flip it over and try it with the short I. Sam likes going on the swing. Oh, Sam likes going on the swing at the park. That sounds better. So I've flipped it from the long I to the short I. Swing. Let's try with this sentence. I put butter on the bread. That doesn't quite sound right. I've tried the long E in the middle of that word. I put butter on the bread. Okay, so we need to flip the sound. Let's try it again. I put butter on the bread. So it's that short E. Bread. Yeah, that makes more sense. Another way to tell from this word is that when you get two vowels in the middle of a word like that together, E and A, when two vowels go walking, the first vowel does the talking. So that means that we're going to hear the sound coming from the E. Bread. We don't hear the A sound. We don't hear a sound coming from the A, but we know that it helps the E to do the talking. One more. I want to see the I want to see the Now that you know how to flip the sound, you can do it quickly and easily in your own reading too.